Hello and welcome to Storeino. As we all noticed today, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram are down. We cannot use them and we cannot contact anyone using these tools. But with Storeino, you don't need WhatsApp, you don't need Facebook, and you don't need Instagram. With Storeino, you only need to log into your store and directly start chatting with the support team. With audio, with text, and also sending pictures. So, you only need to log into your store and you will see an icon of chat down here at the corner. Click on this icon and you will see Storeino support up here. As I said, you can contact the support using the audio. If I click on this little icon of audio, you will see that the audio is now being recorded. And you can record the audio and click on this mark right here to send the audio to the Storeino support. It is the same as WhatsApp. Also, you can add pictures or photos to your chat so you can explain more about your problem or give a more clarification about the idea you want. Just choose the picture and click on open and the picture will be added. Then you can click on send to send this picture like this. You will not forget. You can type easily your message like this to the support team. It is a Storeino WhatsApp. WhatsApp is down, but Storeino is up. Thank you for watching and see you soon.